the home of Sports of Kings and the Rough. Early lead is taken by the Surgeon from the outside, Survey. And moving up on the inside is entry number 2, Red Lotus, Lord of the Sun. And bringing up the rear is Viva Bola. At the mid-back stretch, it's still the Surgeon on the outside, and by the rail is Survey. And Red Lotus moving up by the rail on the outside is entry number 3, Lord of the Sun, and Viva Bola is still trailing the group. Nearing the far turn, it's Survey in the lead, followed by the Surgeon. Moving up on the inside, Red Lotus, and here comes Lord of the Sun moving up in between horses. Viva Bola is still trailing the group. Rounding the far turn, Survey by 3.5 lengths, followed by Lord of the Sun, and moving up on the inside, Red Lotus, and the Surgeon moving up on the outside, and closing in is Viva Bola. At the top of the stretch, it is still Survey in the lead, followed by Lord of the Sun moving up on the outside. On the farther outside is Red Lotus, the Surgeon, and Viva Bola. And into the home stretch, Survey moving up on the outside is Lord of the Sun. Lord of the Sun on the outside by the Survey, Red Lotus, and the Surgeon on the farther outside, Viva Bola on the inside. And nearing the payoff line, Survey by the rail. And at the payoff line, it's going to be Survey, Lord of the Sun, Viva Bola, Red Lotus, the Surgeon.
4-3-1-2-5.
2 hits tayo